Hey guys, today we are at one of our newest listings that is going back on the market. Tenants finally moved out. We're at 304 Tropical Way here in beautiful Freeport, Florida. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,691 square feet, built in 2006, and the seller is willing to put on a new roof prior to closing with an acceptable offer. One of the things I just absolutely love about this house is the ceiling height. We got like 10-foot ceilings here. This is kind of a laundry room area. There's your garage door there. We'll circle around here in a second. But this just opens up into a cathedral ceiling living room. Fireplace in the corner. And as you can see, there is just a lot of space. Because of the ceiling height here, like it feels so much more spacious than 1,600 square feet. Here you've got formal dining, and I love this little space here. It's like a little office or playroom, depending on if you got the kiddos or not. Here is your kitchen. Ceiling height. Kitchen's a little bit on the small side, but it feels a lot bigger than it is because of the ceiling height. And then this space here is awesome too. So you've got built-in storage there. You've also got additional space here. Could have set up with your buffet and kind of additional kitchen storage and everything in this area. Here you've got the laundry room, and this opens back up to the foyer. And we'll go down the hallway here. There's me, hi. All right, tall ceilings here throughout. Nice bathroom. Bedroom here. Out the front, additional bedroom here. You notice I didn't step the ceiling height down. I love that about this house. And now you've got cathedral here in the master, making it feel a little bit bigger than it is. Master closet there. And master bath. Let's go take a look out the back. This backyard, oh, it also sits on a little bit over 1/3 of an acre too, so take a look outside here. So as you can see, we've got a nice big backyard. Got a double gate over here. Get in the backyard. Also over here on the side, let's take a quick look. Got a space over here. Look at that, right over the top there. Got a space you can put your boat or your RV, but great outdoor space here. So again, we are at 304 Tropical Way here in beautiful Freeport, Florida. Built in 2006. Seller's willing to put on a new roof prior to closing with an acceptable offer. Schedule your showing today.